Chidimano. A chino boama continuity miss sorentem. If so, but grew a chi over I no. Now, maybe I'm shaky. You know, you shake and shake and shake. What's me trying to so now or grow? Nan in San Namochi. Yeah, in San Namochi. Oh no, or grow. Once the Akan to me and in Sa war. And the Akan Manchester United sex position. You do all the things that is needed. I Bama wa dream one down. Now one for. Na aye kama na Manchester sex position no obaby and the case yet send me obetimi aye we exclaim much our obetimi aye osunsu a sometimes we need to try something. So we're going to do the Manchester United sex position. If you akonya nene 3 so one leg is here, one leg will come here, and then you do that kind of exercise like this. And then you go. You know, what's me so now what you know, now what now what me didn't agro say, you know, now we did agro, now also that is the Manchester sex position for you. That is the Manchester sex position for you, okay? You do it anyhow, and your husband will be able to fondle with your body well, or to me so con or so to now yeah, educational sex position I'm giving to you, and it's the Manchester. Oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, ouch. Did you get that? It is perfect. Okay. Now yes, oh I'm tired. Oh baby, I'm tired. And then you can come and do something else, and there you go.